Once there were two very good friends, but both of them were bad at English. In class, when the teacher asked them to read in English, they would do it, but they always stumbled over the words. They didn't understand English and couldn't speak it. They thought a lot about speaking English in class, but as soon as they started, they couldn't say anything. This problem became very big for them, and all the other students used to make fun of them for not being able to speak English. Now, a few years later, they had to go for an interview. They found out that their interview was in 21 days, and it would be in English. So both of them started studying English in their way. The first student decided to study English differently. He first focused on grammar because he thought it was important. He learned everything about grammar: adverbs, nouns, pronouns, everything. After that, he studied the dictionary, wrote down words, and practiced for 21 days. On the other hand, the second student found a new way. He discovered 7 steps that helped him strengthen his English completely in just 21 days. When the results of the interview came out, it turned out that the first student was not selected, but the second student was selected with very good marks. So what were those 7 steps that student 2 followed? So, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, you might be wondering what those 7 steps are to strengthen your English in just the next 2 days. I will tell you those steps, but first I have a question. You might have faced this problem. How many times when you try to read English, you understand it, you can read it, but when you try to read it out loud, you stumble over the words? Or you think in your mind that you will say this in English, do that in English, but as soon as you start speaking, you just can't get the words out? If this problem happens to you too, write yes in the comments. So now, the second student followed 7 steps, and you need to follow those steps over the next 21 days. The first step is listening, use your brain. Look, one thing to understand is that reading from books is a very bad way to learn English. What's the bad way? It's the method you have been taught in school. If you want to understand English, what do? You get a dictionary, study grammar first, and learn about nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, etc. That's how it's taught, right? But this method is completely useless. I see many students following this method, but they never learn to speak English. The first step should be listening. We need to listen. What do we need to listen to? We need to listen to things in English. Imagine you're watching a movie in Hindi. Switch to English. Watch English movies. Watch English series. Use the subtitles at the bottom so that you slowly start understanding English. Or if you love cricket, watch cricket with English commentary. If you watch the news, watch English news channels. What will happen? When you listen, your brain will be activated. Think about it. When you were a child, how did you learn your regional language or Hindi? Your parents spoke about it. That's why you learned to speak it. How? Because you heard that language as a child, your brain processed it, and you understood, oh, this is how the language is. Did anyone teach you that language? So the first step is listening. We don't understand English because we are not listening to it. We have been listening to Hindi, our regional language, since childhood. So starting today, listen to English. Watch different movies, news channels, and anything you can. The more you listen, the more you will understand the words and your brain will realize, oh, this is the English language. Now let's move to our second step. The second step is daily 15 minutes exercise, focus on words. I'm sharing a great 15-minute exercise. You need to do this daily for the next 21 days. If you're ready, then listen. Imagine you are sitting in a room. You can do this now too. Look around your room and say out loud everything you see. For example, say, I can see a desktop here. Say the words, I can see a desktop here. I can see a bottle here. I can see a pen here. There is a smart board. There is a table. There is a chair. Say everything you see in your room in English. You can just say the words. You don't have to speak in full sentences. Just say the words. If you do this for 15 minutes daily, after 2 or 3 days, words will start coming to your mind. When you try to speak longer sentences using those words, you will gradually start speaking English. Now, what is step number 3? Find a buddy. The second student found a friend to practice with. He found someone who could speak English, and they started talking to each other in English. This gave them confidence, and they practiced together. Some students think, I can't speak English. If you keep thinking this, you will never learn to speak English. So we need to find a friend who speaks English. You both should speak in English together. This will help you build confidence. Now let's move to step number 4. Step number 4 is grow your vocabulary. One thing to understand, if you think, I don't have vocabulary so I can't speak English, that's a problem. But can you imagine writing down a word like lotus and then writing its meaning below? When you write any word, write its meaning underneath. This will help you grow your vocabulary. And when you have a bigger vocabulary, you will gradually start speaking English. After this, step number 5 is utilize English for real. Look, the method of learning English is about vocabulary, grammar, and speaking. The problem is that many students run after vocabulary and grammar, but they don't speak English. So what do I say? To learn to speak English, use English in real life. For example, if you need to go shopping and speak in English. You might go once and not be able to speak. You might feel shy, but gradually you will learn to speak English. Do the same for anything else. Have conversations in English. If you practice English in real life, you will gain more confidence. Now we move to step number 6. Step number 6 is set goals. What do you need to do? You should set goals. Your goals should be things like, I will speak English daily, or I will learn 3 new words every day. You should set goals like, I will listen daily, I will practice daily. Now let's move to step number 7. What is it? Get feedback. The biggest problem is that when we speak English, we don't realize what we are doing wrong. So ask your friend, is my English correct? Or ask your teacher. This will give you feedback, and with proper feedback, you will gradually strengthen your English. So those were the 7 steps to strengthen your English. If you follow them, you will have strong English in the next 21 days. You need to do listening first, then daily 10-minute exercises, find a buddy, grow your vocabulary, use English in real life, set goals, and get feedback. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what problems you face while speaking English. See you in the next video.